Hello guys, welcome back to Naresh IT. Last video I have explained about what is Java.lang.Object class, and I have asked you one question. What is the default inheritance in Java? What is that? Single level inheritance. Because if you create one class, it is automatically deriving from object class. Na? So create one class deriving from another class is what? Single level inheritance. Let us go to the system and verify whether our class is deriving from object class by default or not. Okay, come. Here I created one class called A, and now I saved with the name A.java in the folder D full stack Java development 01 core Java. Okay, here is the folder. Now let's open command prompt to compile and execute this program. Open command prompt, then type javac A.java. Program is compiled successfully and .class file is created. Our target is here running this program or reading bytecode? Reading bytecode only. So for reading bytecode, I have to use javap command. Javap space class name I should give. Here class name I given, when I give javap A, compiler software showing only the class name and the default constructor. But I want to see this class is extended from object class or not. For that purpose, I have to use javap command with one option called -verbose space A. So this is the option by which we are asking the javap display the complete details of the class A. Then observe here complete detail is showing. This is a class A and it is compiled with version number, and look at there, this class is what? Current class A, and super class, who is the super class? Java.lang.Object class. So with this we proved that every class in Java is deriving from Java.lang.Object class. Is it clear? Now I am giving you second question to you. Please give answer in the comment section. If I create multiple classes, class A, class B, class C, then what is the inheritance is automatically created? Default inheritance is single level inheritance. If I create one class deriving from object class, single level inheritance. If I create multiple classes, individual multiple classes, what is the inheritance is generated? Give your answer in the comment section. Thank you.